Okay, welcome back to part 2 of the video. This one's probably going to be pretty short because I don't want to give away all the tricks on this. I want you guys to try to figure out some things on your own. So, notice there's not a lot of dimensions on this, and the reason why is because this was actually used for a parametric modeling assignment in SolidWorks, Inventor, or Creo, or Pro Engineer, any one of those. And how parametric modeling works is you can just give it certain dimensions right here and it will do all the math for you. So notice we don't know how long this is right here or this. And a parametric modeler such as SolidWorks or Inventor doesn't need to know those lengths. If you do these other dimensions correctly and other relations or constraints correctly, it'll do all the math for you. That's why these programs are really expensive, because it does all the math for you. However, it's bad practice to have limiting dimensions, because if I were to give this to a machinist, he would have to figure out a lot of other things as well. So one thing I do want to give you a hint with is, notice if this is our right here, this is our red axis in Sketchup. Notice we're a certain distance above it. I would take this 0.280, divide it by 2 to get how far up you are. So let's kind of look at that. So right here. Then, so we're 0.14 from this red line up to here. Then, to figure out the length of these little guys right here, we know this is a 1/2 inch diameter, that it's going to have an empty hole all the way through. So that means from here to here is a 1/4 inch. So take a 1/4 inch minus the 0.14, you get 0.11. So this little line is 0.11. So right here is 0.11 inches. This is in inches. So 0.11. Now, what you want to do is, we notice it's 20 degrees off of this line. We don't know where this line intersects this line, but we do see that it does touch that line. So use your protractor tool right here and just put it right here. Click it once, run it along the red axis, and then just type in 20 and do it on both sides, and you'll get those angles. Now the next trick is to find out how long these legs need to be. The best way to do that is take this diameter right here, because that's where this point is, divide it in half, so 0.47. I'm going to double check that. 0.47 times 2 is 0.94, yes, so 0.47. And we're going to run a guide from our base all the way up 0.47 units, and where it intersects is what we're looking for. So tape measure, start right here, type in 0.47, hit enter. Okay, so now right here, the line tool, all the way to here to here. So I think that is our entire shape. It is. So it looks like I gave the whole thing to you. I just wanted you guys to figure it out on your own, but it's alright. Anyway, so now when we revolve this around, let's get our circle right here, follow it in the red. We'll just make a small circle, doesn't matter, because we just want that center point, and this is just going to follow around it. So click circle, use follow me, click on that shape, there we go. Click on that circle to delete it, triple click, do reverse faces, and look at that, we have our revolved body. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and clean up these lines, and this is where we're going to call it good for this video, and then we'll be back with making the other shapes to do the cuts. Once again, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this lesson. It's a good one.